Y'all, so in today's video, I can't ride my dirt bike right now, so I'm gonna build my jump bigger. My wagon with tools. So, yeah, I don't know. Let's just start heading down there. Good little haul down there. So, yeah. The camera probably doesn't do that justice. Probably doesn't do the justice, but, that little brown spot all the way down there. Not with the little green circles, like all the way down there. Right there. Kind of. That's my jump. Camera probably doesn't do that justice. Oh my god, I can't speak. Yeah. But it's way longer than what the camera makes it look like. So, yeah. The reason I just thought of this is because I have this little toy KTM 450 SXF, and I was building like a mini track for it, and it was kind of, hard. Not hard, but like, I never play with that toy anyways. So I thought I might as well build my real dirt bike a bigger jump. So yeah, it's a 50, and I don't know if y'all know, but 50s have super duper stiff suspension. So yeah, this jump is already good enough for my suspension, but I thought, why not make it bigger? Go big or go home. So yeah, this is it. So I guess we'll start. I have to find a place to put my camera though. Hold up, I'll be right back. Make a little pile of dirt to hold my camera or to hold my phone up. Oh, this is super soft dirt. And the good thing is it literally just rained like 6 feet. So, and it was like probably like a week ago, but since it rained so much, the ground is still wet, but not super duper wet. So it's like still easy to dig in, but not like muddy. I heard some weird noise. I don't know what that was. What the heck? Okay, that's a car. I hear like bushes moving. I don't know. Okay, that's just a bird. Okay, well, I can't really set my phone anywhere. So, I guess y'all ain't gonna be able to see me dig it, but, yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna start digging. Got my dog down here, like, watching out for something. Like, if something comes, he's like just standing there, sniffing around. There were deer down here. There were deer down here earlier, like right where he's standing. So he's probably just sniffing their scent. I remember this hill of dirt right here, before it was my jump, is ginormous and covered in dirt, all kinds of things. And then we got a tractor, and my stepdad took down some of it, but didn't take down all of it, obviously. So my sister's boyfriend, which rides a 450, I think it's a 450 Honda, but with new black and white plastics. It's pretty cool. And yeah, he came down to ride. He brought his CRF 125, and then his friend brought his 252 stroke, and then my sister's boyfriend let one of his friends ride his 110, and obviously I was on my 50, because that's the only thing I have. And they rode, and this pile was like this, and they were like, do you think your stepdad will mind if we jump on this and stuff, jump on our dirt bikes and stuff? And I said, no, he's trying to get rid of it anyways. But, so, yeah. And this just became a little jump that we hit now whenever he comes over to ride. I think I might post a might post a picture of his 450. It's pretty cool. So you all can see it. That is like, hold on. There's like this really weird hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's like a little hole right there. I don't know what the heck that is. Let's dig at it and see. Ow. It might be a snake hole, but I don't know. If a snake comes out, I'm smacking it with a shovel. I don't care what kind of snake it is. I'm smacking it as hard as I possibly can. Bro, there's something in the bushes. I don't know what the frick it is. But I'm just gonna keep on digging because when I see something, I'll run. Unless it's a deer. Female deer won't run. Male deer, maybe we'll back up a little because don't know if y'all have seen the videos of bucks or male deer headbutting people with the antlers. And they've got like giant like holes in their skin. Ugh, I don't want to think about it. But yeah. Okay, well, say that's probably pretty big for a 50. I'm gonna pat it down. It's gonna buck me really hard if it stays like that. So I brought this little flat shovel over here to pat it down. Oh, I could just set it on the wagon. Gosh dang it. Alright. Well, shoot, y'all could have just seen me the whole time. Alright. Oh, y'all can't see me in this thing. Did I just see a snake? Not in that hole, but I swear I seen something. But I don't know. Okay, something big is in those bushes, bro. Hey, yo. What is that? Whoop. Whoop. Oh, what is that? I don't know if that's like a branch or something, but it's like looking right at me if it's live. Bro, it's looking straight at me, whatever it is. That's honestly scary. That's a dog. Shoot, yo. That's a coyote. Dude, there's a coyote standing straight at me. Oh. Bro. Oh, I don't even want to move now. Dude, what if it actually comes to attack me? Like, it's a small coyote, but like, I don't know if I like that. Dude, that's scary. And I literally just seen that sitting there for so long. Yeah, what the? Yeah. Oh, that coyote's just been sitting there watching me. Oh, no. Okay. That's like really big. Not really big, but like, I don't know. This is really big for 50. And I like jumping from the other side too. But the other side is just gonna buck me really hard. I can't even see me. Hold up. Did that scare it off? Nope. Still just sitting there. No, I don't like that. I don't like how it's just staring straight at me, though. It's either a coyote or a dog. That's a dog. Nope, never mind. Yeah, that's a dog. That's legit a dog. That's like a little dog. Is that like a wild one? Like, has it just lived in nature, or did it just, like, roam onto our land? I don't know. But I do hear dogs barking. So, yeah. You know how foxes, like, laugh like that? I just heard that. Bro, why do we have so many things on our land? Like, so many animals just right now. There's a lost dog. Okay, I was joking about, like, it being a lost dog, because I thought that was a branch, but it literally just moved its head. Like, it for real just moved its head. Dude, no, that's actually just scary now. Bro, that's just scary. Nah, what? Okay, I'm hearing all kinds of noises. That sounds like a deer. Bro, did the whole forest just, or did all the things living in my woods behind my house just like team together and try to kill me? Like, oh, this is my last video. Like, see ya. What the? My sister's boyfriend is here. And he like jumped this exact jump. And I'm building it bigger right now. Dang, that's funny. That he like just pulled up. I couldn't even tell who it was before I saw his flatbed. That's funny. That's funny. Alright, well, I don't know if there's much more to do. I swear I just heard a snake, but it was like just a bumblebee. I just heard that deer again. Oh, no, I don't like that. And that dog is just still sitting there. Dang it, y'all can't even see me. Or can you? Nope. I'm taking out this little thing. This little thing I try to build for my phone. Well, I'd say that's all I need to do. Alright, well. Oh, hold on. So, if y'all haven't watched my YouTube shorts, which is what I usually make, y'all have probably seen me taking a photo of my dirt bike on top of this. And I had my kickstand down, but should I make a little hole for my back tire that it could just hold it up? I'm gonna. So let's go. Now my back tire isn't very wide. So, well, that dog is still sitting there. It moved, guys. Like it moved spots to where I first saw it. Like I for real thought that it was a plant. But nope. Alright, well, I don't really know if that's gonna hold it. Probably not, but I don't know. I'll figure it out next time I take pictures of it. Well, yeah.